Hi, this is Famous Dave. I'm reporting for TrashyWeather.com as a guest analyst this weekend. I'm here at beautiful Smith Mountain Lake on Friday night before Hurricane Sandy hits. Anyway, they're forecasting 40 to 50 mile per hour winds here at the lake and some power outages. So we all figured, would you jump in the car and head up to where the action is up in the Philadelphia and southern New Jersey area and get there in time, just in time for Philadelphia Eagles football game and also the eye of the storm. So stay tuned. Famous Dave here will be reporting as a guest analyst for this tropical storm or hurricane or whatever's going to hit up in the Philadelphia and South Jersey area. We'll talk to you soon.